Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you regarding how to make takeoff with Navisworks. Okay, this is Navisworks manage. Keep in remember on Navisworks freedom you can click any takeoff. So you need Navisworks manage. So here these are the file I recently used and I am opening a new file. It is exported from the Revit. So I will choose electrical one. So I will go with the base, not detail advanced. So base quantification. So let's say it will come closer. Okay. So now here in the home button there's a called quantification. This is this one. Close this one. If you click this, it will be appear. So seed browser I don't need for now. So this in this window, let's say project setup. Remind me later. So I will go for the uniform one. There's a listed some catalog item. I don't want to go for here now. Just go for format. Next, I will go for the metric. Next, and if you want whatever you want, you can select. If you don't want anything, you can remove. Next, and finish. So once you have this list, these are the some interior services, substructures. So I don't want to go here. But I want to make takeoff for this one. So let's go select. Click this one. This is the file. Right click. Quantification, pick off two new captive item, or you can go for the select corresponding takeoff object also. So let's go for the takeoff new cutting item. So you have the catalog here. Okay. So let's come here in this one. This one here. Click. This is one of the basic thing I'm teaching you here. So if I go deeper, you will confuse. We will go deeper in other videos. So export selected quantity to Excel. Okay, in the desktop, save this one, do quantity report, and one exported, it will ask open the file after export. So you have to make yes. So these are the export files, exports data. So here you can go to this is all data available. There's more data available here. This is as per what are the parameter you have given. It will come here. So for now, I need item preview table. So here, CT tray, meaning cable tray, this is the name which is given. So when you have fitting horizontal bent. If I go here, we'll see here it is 6. It's available 6, meaning this. If I click this one, you will see 6. So it's a detail. Okay, then here 5. Mesh type, fitting horizontal type. So these are the quantity. You can check how much you have, what are the fittings you have, everything is available here. Okay. So if you go through one by one, you will know what you want, and you have to go through every source what is given here. If I try to teach you one by one, it will take too much time. But check this one so you will know. At the same time, if you go here, let's go for the first one. If you this one, so cable tray fittings, the first. You see this number, this is the main file, and this is the floor, and this is the fittings, and this is the fitting name. Cable tray fittings mean all the fittings. That's why you see 1.1, 1. And that one, we are using the cable tray fittings reducer. So let's make this one a little bigger. So here also you can see number of reducers available here. And this is including parameter, everything. These are the detail you can go through. And I don't want to go more details. So if you go this one, there's a phone number, and here only one number. So you see here in the bracket it's mentioned how many uh, you have, how many fittings you have, see tray, float cable, the fitting reducer, phone number you have, here you have one number. So let's click this phone number, and if you click here, and here we come down a little bit down, room selected. And room selected, you will know the where the fittings are used. Click room selected, so you will know which fittings is taking. I hope you understand, and I hope you will use this one very well. So this is a very, very basic quantity takeoff method. And for the advanced one, we will go in the next video. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. So you can take more idea from me, and we will go little bit late advanced qualification. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.